This is Kathy from your success team at MIFOinc. I'd like to go over the adolescent immunization dashboard. In this dashboard, we take all of your members who fall into the cohort of adolescent immunizations. We track for each immunization required, the number of members that fall into that category, and pull in historical data as well as current data to determine where they are as far as their status of being vaccinated for each one of these categories. So as you can see, dependent on the vaccine, we indicate how many of those vaccines are required to meet the measure. In this case, all of these patients have not been vaccinated at all to date. So we bring in the date of birth and the due date to indicate when you need to make certain these patients come in and have completed all their required immunizations. We also track for any immunizations that have occurred, how many they have had. In this case, you'll see Tdap meningococcal. Patients have received their required number of vaccines. In this case, dependent on the health plan, some health plans want 2 or 3 HPV vaccines. So these patients may have successfully completed the amounts required, and these patients still need to come in for either 1 or 2. The data below indicates the detail of patients that have had the vaccine, the date that they did have the vaccine, and the CPT code that was billed in order to satisfy that encounter.